You know that. So let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Holy crap. Some good stuff. Woo!
Frank Gallagher, I'm shameless. These lights got me so faded. Check the calendar, my lateness. But really though, time won't change us. Party like you're famous.
Hello everyone, I'm Batman. What's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today, yeah, I'm still sick. And today we're gonna be cooking with Josh. I usually do cooking with Josh when I'm Snapchatting someone, but today it's gonna be for everyone. So welcome to cooking with Josh. And cooking with Josh, I mean we're gonna make a sandwich. Holy cannoli, we already have everything prepared. What do we need? Yeah. White bread right there. What do we need? Whoa. Miracle Whip, which is mayonnaise. And what do we got here? Thanks for shopping at Ralph's. We got boar's head maple honey turkey breast. Who doesn't love a good boar's head maple honey turkey breast? And our last ingredient that we have is going to be, thanks to Ralph's, boar's head white American cheese. So let's get straight to it. We're gonna need a plate first and a knife to spread that Miracle Whip and make miracles happen here today. All right guys, we got our plate and we got our knife. We're ready. By the way, I'm making this video because I still am really sick. I feel really sick and I just want to stay inside and recover, recuperate, and I still wanted to do something. And I usually do cooking with Josh, so this is like a trial test on YouTube if cooking with Josh is a good idea. So let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see another cooking with Josh. So today, you know we're making that sandwich. Bam, plate's right there. Bam, put the knife there. Make sure it's a butter knife, you know, because we don't want anyone getting cut by mistake. All right, time for that bread. Make it rain. All right, obviously we don't want the crappy end piece because, you know, how is that good for a sandwich? Let me tell you, it's not. We'll throw that on the side. Got two pieces right next to each other, so they're the same. We're gonna put them side to side, so when we flip it, it'll be the same. So put them side to side. Next step, we're gonna get our Miracle Whip. Make miracles happen here today, folks. So what we're gonna do is just get the knife, get a good chunk in. Not gonna lie, I love mayonnaise. Some people think it's gross. I like it. So we got a good chunk right there. Yummy. And we're gonna spread it on the bread. A nice little thin. A nice little thin coating right there on each of the slices of bread. It depends how much you like mayo. You can always switch up my recipe. You know, put it to your advantage. So there we go. Bam. I probably can't see it well. And yeah. So make sure they're aligned again. So we got a thin slice, a thin Miracle Whip coating. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our American cheese out. We're gonna put one slice on the left side, right in the middle. And then we're gonna get our turkey. Put one piece on. We got our turkey right here. So we're gonna put one slice of turkey on the opposite one you did not put the cheese on, right in the middle. Bam. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna go a little more crazy. We're gonna get the Miracle Whip again. There we got more Miracle Whip and put it right on that cheese. A nice little coating. Yo, give this video a thumbs up for sandwiches, right? Also in the comment section down below, let me know, is a burger a sandwich? That's like a big thing everyone's been talking about, you know, in the cooking industry. So after you put Miracle Whip on the cheese, you're also gonna put it on the turkey as well. A little. Just a little. You know? And then I got half a slice right here because it broke off. I'm not going to use a lot of turkey, so I can save from my brother because we're cheap. And we're going to put that slice right on the cheese. I'm going to break it up so it kind of fits all in there. So put the turkey on the Miracle Whip that's on the cheese on your left side. On the right side, we have the bread, mayo, turkey, and more mayo. And what are we going to do? You know it. Piece of cheese. Yeah! We're going to put that, bam, right on the turkey. And of course, we're going to don't put the Miracle Whip on the turkey side, put it on the cheese side because it's easier to spread. I usually put a little salt mixed in too, but I don't really feel for salt at the moment. Bam, look at that baby. You're probably wondering, you're probably asking yourself, Josh, why didn't you put mayo on that piece of turkey? Why, Lisa? I'll tell you why, because when you put it in the sandwich together, that cheese that has the mayo on top of it is gonna hit that turkey. Instead of a double base of mayo, you get one. Trust me, it'll work. So just grab both the sides, and then you just pop, and wow, it's ready to go. You can either slice it in half, slice it down the middle like a freak, or just have it all in one, so you don't really have to cut it. You're gonna send more work. It's gonna go in your stomach anyways. You're gonna poop it out soon too. So let's get a close look at my creation. Look at that. That's like a perfect sandwich. No one can deny that. Make it look pretty. Wow.
Wow.
All right, so that is all set to go. And you never want to be one of those people. You don't want to be that guy. You're gonna clean up after yourself right when you're done. So put the cap back on the mayo, tighten it tight so it don't fall out. Nope, your turkey. Boom, back in the bag. Back in the bag, don't be a freak, and don't be one of those, don't be that guy that leaves it unzipped. Just zip it up. Can't let the air get to the turkey, you know, like an animal. Bam. Fold up the front, fold up the side. That is ready to be packed away. Get the rest of the air out. Your cheese is gonna go right in the bag as well. Don't be an animal. These animals. Show Ryan. All right, I'm gonna zip that up. Rest the air out. Bam. Easier fold. That freak piece of bread that's on the side, it's gonna go right back in. I'll probably use that when I'm running out of bread. Get all the air out of that. Where's that tie that like no one really knows how to use? Here it is, whatever this thing is called. What's the name for this? Please let me know. So you do all that and then it just comes unzipped again. What's the point? Bread goes on top of the fridge, because who puts bread in a freezer, I mean not a fridge, so that'd be weird. And we're gonna put it right back in where it came from. Same with the mayo. I'm doing another load of dishes later, so that's just gonna go in the sink for now, trust me. Let's get a close-up of this, shall we? Holy cannoli. Look how perfect this baby is. 360 view. Wow.
Wow.
Come on. Each layer is designed perfectly for your mouth. And taste test time. All right, you know it's a good sandwich when you can hold it with one hand and nothing's popping out of the sides. You know that. So let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste test. Holy crap. Some good stuff. Woo! I'm gonna go eat this and watch some YouTube now. I gotta eat while watching something, so I can just enjoy relaxing, enjoy my own company, enjoy the food I just made. Wow. So thank you so much guys for watching my first ever YouTube version of Cooking with Josh. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sick still, like I keep saying in these videos, but hopefully I'll get better, and hopefully the next Cooking with Josh, if you guys enjoyed it, I'll make another one. Hopefully the next Cooking with Josh, I'm more excited than I am right now because I'm a little down because I'm sick. But come on, look at that baby. Delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked Cooking with Josh, please let me know in the comments down below so I can make another one. And what should I make? Nothing too fancy because I don't know how to cook. Alright, so comment that. Like this video for me to get better and for any other reason you could think of, because it's free. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't click it if you're already subscribed, because that means you'll unsubscribe. Ring that notification bell, ding, and I'll see you guys next time. I can't snap well. So we out. Josh G Vlogs, we out. You know that. So let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Holy crap. Some good stuff. Woo! What should I watch on YouTube? I'm debating. I want to eat this while watching YouTube, but it's just so good. Nailed it! Alright. See you guys.